Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes, 650 twin cylinder liquid cooled fuel injection, 6-speed transmission. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 4,600 miles. It's really cool matte black finish, and this one's equipped with the passenger rear seat and backrest, quick release, low miles. Make your mid-weight cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Vulcan S. Price to sell quickly, just $59.99. ABS brakes, great commuter, great for cruising the bay with your pal. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.